Welcome. My grandson here is videoing your car.
Great.
He'd like to know a little bit about it. What year is it?
Okay. Well, it's a 1965 Chrysler 300. It's a 300 non-letter. They have letter cars for the 55 to 65 range. But this is a non-letter, and there's a lot of reasons I actually like the non-letter. For example, let's take a look at the grille. The grille is different than the letter car, but I think the grille is pretty stunning with the three-color red, white, and blue, and the 300 embossed in it. That's one of my favorite parts to the car. I could talk for a long time, but another thing that 65 brought is these headlights. They've got headlight covers, okay? Now that only lasted 1 year, and there's a story behind it, because if it would get cold and freeze, you could end up where there'd be ice behind your headlight and you wouldn't be able to see. Well, those are a couple things I like. Chuck, is that good enough for what you're looking for?
What engine is in it?
Well, it's got the standard 383 engine, okay, which is a V8, and we really haven't done anything to it other than maintain its standard condition. I kind of like standard cars.
Pretty much all original?
Yeah, I like it. I like cars the way they were. You know, I mean, we've gone through and we've restored the car, but we really haven't, changed it. Okay.
That's kind of the way I believe too. I like them original.
So, but there's a lot of new components on it. I mean, I just put a new battery in it, and had the radiator record and that type of thing. So
that's all maintenance you have to do. Can we look inside, Ron?
Please look inside. Is it the interior?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Video.
Cool fact about this car is that these three bars right here, these ones, this one, and this one, means 300. And then I'm going to show you the interior right now. Radio, the emblem, and then there, his favorite thing about the car is that right there, emblem in the back seat. Lights, steering wheel. He knows how fast he is, speedometer. Front end. Let me show you the engine. And he added these racing wheels to his car. Big emblem on the front. Radiator. This is the engine. Show you the other side. Another racing car right there. Mopar symbol, logo. He has skirts for the wheels. There. Another emblem. And this right here, 300. Underneath of there, there's the gas. Double exhaust. Light, backlights. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and see you on the next video.